Hey, it's Gina from WTI. Do you have a lot of hose splitters on different spigots around your yard? I find them really difficult to turn on and off. I wasn't sure if this 2-Ways Pro splitter would be any different from the other ones that we have. I was so pleased at how easy it is to turn the valve on and off, which is something that we do quite often. Not only that, but it doesn't leak, and it was so easy to install. I'm really impressed by the smooth function of the on and off valves, but also the sturdy and solid design of the splitter itself. You can tell that this is well made. It's not flimsy or weak like some of the other splitters that I've used, and it's going to stand up to a lot of the abuse that we give our splitters here on the farm. If you're looking for a hose splitter that's going to be really easy to open and close, it doesn't hurt your hands to try to get them to move, it's going to last a really long time, then I recommend checking out this 2-Ways Pro, and that's my point of view.